Hello and welcome. This is Alex. I'm so glad you're here. What you're about to begin is a powerful, flexible, and completely portable English practice tool. This is a shadowing exercise. You might ask, what is shadowing? It's very simple. You repeat sentences out loud right after me, just like a shadow. This does wonders for your pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and confidence. The best part? You can do this practice anytime, anywhere. Right before sleep for relaxation and learning, during a walk in the park, in the kitchen, or in traffic. It's all about making use of your downtime. So, let go of the pressure. You're here to become friends with the language. Let's begin. Take a deep breath and get ready. Now, let's listen to a simple, motivating story together. It's about Ali, a language learner just like you. Ali is a young man. He lives in Tehran. He loves English movies and songs, but whenever he wants to speak, he feels like the words get lost in his mouth. He is a little scared. He thinks his English is not good enough. One beautiful spring day, Ali is walking in Laleh Park. He sees a foreign man looking around and checking a map on his phone. The man seems lost. Ali stops. His heart beats fast. He tells himself, now is the time. Just one simple sentence. He approaches the man and says, "Hello, can I help you?" The man's face lights up and says, "Yes, thank you. I am looking for the metro station." Ali knows where the metro is very well. He points with his hand and says, "Go straight to the end of the park, then turn left. The station is across the street." The man is very happy. He says, "Thank you so much. You are very kind. My name is John." Ali smiles and says, "Nice to meet you, John. My name is Ali." "You're welcome. Have a nice day." John says, "You have a nice day too, Ali. Goodbye." The man walks away. Ali stands there with a big smile on his face. He feels very good. He just had a real conversation in English. The words came out. Maybe it wasn't perfect, but it worked. That day, Ali went home with new energy. He decided to make a small plan for himself. Every morning, learn 5 new sentences and repeat them out loud to himself. A week later, he was seen in a cafe with an English book. A month later, he started watching movies with English subtitles. Small but consistent steps. He improves a little more every day. Now it's time to practice. I will say each sentence once. Immediately after me, in the specified silence, you should repeat the same sentence out loud, just like a shadow. Focus only on imitating my sound.
Let's start with the key sentences from the story. Hello, can I help you? Yes, thank you. I am looking for the metro station. My name is John. Go straight to the end of the park. Then turn left. The station is across the street. You are very kind. Nice to meet you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Great. Now let's practice a few more useful general sentences. I learn English every day. I watch movies with English subtitles. I practice with my voice. My English is getting better. I feel more confident now. This is a good start. Now for a fun little challenge. I will say 3 sentences in a row. Try to repeat all 3 in order and keeping the rhythm after I finish. Ready?
Hello, can I help you? I am looking for the metro station. Thank you so much. Go straight. Then turn left. Have a nice day. That was truly exceptional. Just now, you practiced dozens of English sentences with correct pronunciation. This is the greatest gift you can give your English.
active repetition. This file is like a home gym for your language. You can come back and practice again whenever you want. Try to review these same sentences in your head throughout the day. If you want to continue this journey with more resources, varied topics like restaurant conversations, travel, work, and my guidance, don't forget about our channel. By subscribing, you'll get consistent motivation and a structured plan. Thank you so much for your patience and positive energy. Keep practicing and witness the magic of repetition. Until next time, goodbye and good luck.